lost in darkness once again. No family to be a friend. Horror memories fan up the flames of abuse that buried hope in shame, and an image that was planted in the child, the spirit wild, the vision of sexual abuse in Catholic silence. In endless pain the shame remains, abuse a child cannot name. Christian child in a life of hell, they preach love but they don't do it so well, and the soul is choked by the endless abusive deeds, perverted needs, hidden in the hell church silence. The broken years become decades, invisible in life's parade. Hollow smiles hide the emptiness, hollow words cover the distress of the heart and soul that shrivels in a hell of shame. Innocence is blamed again, again, again for breaking silence, and the Pope just looks away from the pedophile priests he pays. Predatory priests, devil spawning, crucify young souls in their mourning. Suffer little children, sacrificed on Simon Peter's rock, and the priestly cock, while the Pope calls the victims devil for breaking silence. To find the truth, just look beyond the lie of God they use so long. Care for children, gods don't need your prayers. It's for the innocent that we must care. For the children of tomorrow and today that we must protect with love from the gods above. No gods will help us to break the unholy silence. And centuries of abuse roll on in the hell church silence, and the Pope on his archaic throne still blesses silence as the pain echoes round and round the family silence.